Hello, everybody. Today is November 10th. This is just going to be a follow-up for page 66 and 67. Yesterday, you guys worked pretty hard on those to get what you needed down for your paper. Okay, so you should have been able to um, write a thesis statement. Okay, and then on top of that, you should have been able to fill in the thesis statement here on the next page, and then begin your topic sentences with your details, topic sentence 2 with details, and then your ending. Okay? What I would like you to do today, and if you would like, guys, um, you're welcome to pause this page right here if you were unable to get things written down and use some of these same ideas. But the way that I want you to spend your time right now is by writing your draft. Okay, so I want you to type it, okay, and then save it as a file, and then we'll have you upload it to Canvas. Okay, so you're gonna upload, you're gonna write your draft. So basically, guys, you're gonna have your thesis statement. Okay, then you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 paragraphs. Excuse me, I'm yawning again. Not enough sleep. Okay, so you're going to write your thesis statement, then you're going to have 1, 2, and your ending will be your third paragraph. Okay, so I want to do that right now. Okay, and one thing I want you to think about is make sure that you use transition words. Okay, so make sure that you kind of transition from sentence to sentence, in a smooth way. Um, okay, so and then just remember this tied idea. So you got your thesis statement; it lays it out for you. Your thesis statement, your idea statements. So during his or her childhood, okay, that's a good way to start one. As a child slave, you could start it like that. Despite being shot by the Taliban, you could start a sentence like that. After escaping from child slavery, okay? So you're just building on top of what you do here. In response to several school closings at the United Nations, each day James had to blank. The Challenging Heights organization, okay? In your ending, to summarize or in conclusion, okay? I want you to use these statements, use these words as you transition from sentence to sentence. Um, that's all that I would like you to do today. I was really kind of hoping that we would get through with this workshop by the end of the trimester, but I don't think we're going to quite make it. Here's our plan for um, our plan for the rest of the week, which is today, Wednesday, and Thursday. So today you're gonna write this paper, okay? Tomorrow we're probably gonna move on to page 68 and 69 in our books and get that wrapped up, okay? But also tomorrow is the day that I'm going to have you take the reading assessment again, okay? Um, so I'll have you read you're going to take the reading assessment, and I'll include the kind of the instructions on how to get to the reading assessment. But guys, this is important that you guys really work hard on this reading assessment and that we can show some growth in your reading. Okay, so take your time with it. It's not timed. The STAR test that we take in school is timed, and it will move you on, but this one is not. Okay, so take your time and answer the questions very carefully. Think about the vocabulary that you learned, things like that. And I have a feeling that our our scores will improve. So anyway, scores improve. Those of you who are here, then that's what qualifies you for the pizza party. And you know what? Those of you who aren't here, if you want to come to the pizza party, if your scores improve, hey, I'll make sure that Mr. Mata is aware of that, and we want you to come and celebrate with us also. So Anyway, let's get this done. So you're gonna just type it in a Word document, and then I'll have a spot for you to upload it. And then we'll move on to some independent reading and student application today. Tomorrow will be the test. Then on Thursday, I believe what I will do, the last day of the trimester, is I will probably have you guys, I'm just going to give you every opportunity, the whole class period, to go back, find things that you missed, find questions that or assignments that you didn't complete, and get those turned in for full credit. Okay, so that way there won't be any zeros left on the board, and your grade will improve. Okay, so let's do that. Just use the book, use what you've been able to write to get going. It's going to be about a 3-paragraph essay, and on that youth leader of your choice, Malala, John Coffey Annan, Kez Valdez. Okay, awesome guys. Have a wonderful day.